TSO's new MTR-X multifunctional precision triangle set will help you do more with your triangle. It's like the larger MTR-18 multifunctional triangle, but more portable and fits into smaller spaces. It can be connected directly to your guide rail to accurately cut angles with your track saw. Use it as a protractor for marking angles. Plus, it's perfect for squaring and assembly. The MTR-X is born square through precision CNC machining and anodized blue to protect the triangle and your work. Its unique shape spreads the two reference dogs as far apart as possible for more accurate results, while still allowing it to fit in a sustainer. Included in this set is the Protractor Assembly for angled cuts or marking. Guide rail attachment assembly with 3mm hex driver. 2 6-inch clamping angles and hardware for squaring and assembly. The 5mm hex needed to attach the angles is not included, but you can typically find one on your plunge saw or is available separately on tsoproducts.com. Small parts container that includes 2 12mm pins and 2 25mm pins for squaring equipment and creating elevated reference points along all 3 sides of the triangle. The whole MTR-X set is designed with portability in mind. This pre-cut sustainer foam insert comes standard to help protect your investment. Angled cuts can be achieved in different ways. The MTR-X can be used referencing the 20mm dog holes of your MFT. Simply adjust the MTR-X to the desired angle and make your cut. Additionally, use the supplied mount to attach the MTR-X directly to your guide rail. Use the protractor to quickly mark any angle between 0 and 90 degrees. 45 and 90 degree markings are fast and easy when using the included 12 and 25mm pins. Not only are the included pins useful for marking and layout tasks, but they are also useful in squaring a guide rail to a fence, even when it is in an elevated position. With the supplied 6-inch angles, clamping corners while maintaining accuracy is simple. Ensure the squareness of a miter saw. Quickly set the miter gauge angle at the table saw. Or check the joiner fence for square. These are just a few examples of the versatility of the MTR-X. The MTR-X will not only work with your Festool, Makita, or PowerTech track saws, this will also work with the Craig AccuCut system thanks to the reversible design of the triangle. Do more with your triangle. Get TSO's MTR-X multifunction precision triangle set today.